Welcome back to your Fragmented Customs and Restos Advent Calendar. For December 4th, we have this small video showing the ending result of Mark's Mini. We hope you're enjoying this series and stay tuned for day 5 as we have something very exciting coming up. Dad, do you want to tell your viewers what's going on today then?
Edward will, so Mark's Mini's complete. Mark's come to pick it up in the world's smallest flatbed for a Mini.
You want to be able to get 7 on there?
So yeah, it's collection day for this one, and that leaves garage space for something else to come in. So next weekend we've got a Saab in for some front floor repairs, but for today